If you're struggling with calendar gaps, using freelance marketplaces can be a game changer. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fill those gaps with ease by leveraging platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and others. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take advantage of these platforms to boost productivity, manage your time better, and maybe even bring in some extra revenue. First, let's talk about the most effective way to find freelancers. Start by identifying what tasks you need to fill in your calendar. It could be anything from graphic design to copywriting, coding, or even admin tasks. Knowing what specific tasks you need help with makes the search much easier. Once you know that, hop on to one of the major freelance marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork. Search for the skill you need, then use filters to narrow down the results by budget, reviews, and experience. This saves you time from having to sift through pages of irrelevant profiles. Next, you want to keep things organized. These marketplaces have built-in project management tools, like time tracking, messaging, and milestone features, which will help you stay on top of the tasks you've outsourced. This ensures you're not only filling calendar gaps, but doing so in a way that integrates smoothly with your existing workflow. If you're filling calendar gaps for personal tasks, like booking appointments or managing emails, look for freelancers offering virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants on these platforms are often highly trained to help with exactly these types of tasks, and hiring one can save you significant time. For business owners, you can also use these platforms to handle customer service or content creation. For example, you can hire a freelance writer to create blog posts or a customer service rep to respond to emails during your off hours, which frees up your time to focus on other critical tasks. You can even schedule work around your time zone so you never have an empty calendar. Now, let's talk about pricing. One of the major advantages of using freelance marketplaces is the flexibility in price. You can set your budget or negotiate with freelancers based on the scope of the work, meaning you can fill your calendar gaps without breaking the bank. Another tip, consider working with freelancers on a recurring basis for the tasks you need help with regularly. This builds consistency, and many freelancers offer discounts for long-term projects, which can help keep your calendar full at an affordable price. A quick reminder before we move on to the key takeaway. If you're following along and want to dive deeper into using these tools, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is that freelance marketplaces are a great resource for filling calendar gaps, whether for business tasks or personal errands. You can find skilled professionals, manage your projects easily, and adjust pricing to suit your needs. Remember to focus on your most urgent tasks first and use these platforms to streamline your work. In summary, to fill calendar gaps, identify the tasks you need help with, search for freelancers using smart filters, leverage built-in project management tools, and be strategic about pricing. Lastly, don't forget to grab your free trial in the description below to take advantage of everything our software can help you with. That's it. Try it out today and let me know how it works for you.